I would like to welcome you all once again on the sixth lecture of marketing. Today we will be going to discuss the topic what is market or and importance of marketing with respect of importance to marketers. Student market is a place where buyer and seller meet for business. Earlier in our country, buyer and seller gathered at a specific place. But with the passage of time, buyer and seller need not to meet face to face for transaction. They can meet virtually through e-commerce platform. In other words, we can say that it is called nowadays online purchasing. On the basis of end use, market can be different type. The first type of market is consumer market, which deals in fast moving consumer goods. The second type of market is industrial market, which deals in finalized goods, components and services. Or you can say that finished goods and services. The third one is intermediate market, which deals in wholesale and retail market. The next one is geographical location, that is which is situated in rural and urban market. The last one is non-profit and governmental market. Companies selling to non-profit organizations with limited purchasing power need to have price carefully. Let us discuss importance of marketing with respect to importance to marketer. There are basically three important points with respect to marketer. The first point is marketing promotes product awareness to the public. It means the primary task of marketing is to get the product or services recognized by the market. It is important that public awareness of the product and the company's information is spread to the buying public. This is possible if heavy advertisement, sales promotion technique used. The next type of importance is marketing help in exchanging product sales. It means apart from public awareness about a company's product and services, marketing help boost sales and revenue growth. Once the public learn the your product through TV advertisement, radio, commercial newspaper, etc., it will generate sale. Or you can say that with the help of advertisement, a company can easily generate sale, and that will only help out by the marketing strategy. The third one is marketing builds company's reputation. Marketer continuously aim to create any image of the company in general public. They tends to create brand name recognition. This is done so that consumer can easily associate with the brand name, with the image, logo or caption that they hear and see in the advertisement. So with the help of this video, student, you have to attempt your assignment questions. Thank you so much.